Nevada's economy relies on gambling. For some, gambling can turn from a fun to a difficult situation. The Reno Problem Gambling Center is excited to announce a new program to help new, current, or past clients and their families manage the pressures of problem gambling. Many RPGC clients have moments in recovery where they can use extra tools and support to maintain their recovery before a slip. If you have ever felt depressed, discouraged, financially or otherwise anxious, sad, upset, isolated, concerned, or any number of uncomfortable feelings relating to your health or addictive issues, the Recovery Maintenance Program at the Reno Problem Gambling Center is for you. Starting with a free assessment, we offer a 6-week course designed to strengthen you and give you more recovery tools in a collaborative, like-minded group setting. The cost will be $10 per session. The pre-launch test group reports they benefited greatly from a tools discussion, safety kit ideas, and new supportive contacts, all helpful in recovery. Our recovery maintenance program is a positive addition to your recovery plan. Call us at the Reno Problem Gambling Center at 284-5335 today.